kwizera. Nuko dutangira mu ishyamba hari uwirukanka nibyo by'ibibazo by'isi mu kanya wumva abantu rwose bafite ibibazo. Iyi si hari igihe igenda ikakubana ntoya ku buryo abari inshuti abo witaga inshuti ugeraho kabona abantu bose bahindutse umugabo aragenda arasa inyuma. Imbunda nayo niyo yatoraguye mu mashyamba. Mu mashyamba umugabo arahigwa n'abantu barahiga umuntu. Nibwo buzima byageze angahe imbunda yari yitwaje mugenzi amasasa aramushirana abamuhigaga bamugezeho. Nta burenganzira mufite bwo gukora ibi. Nta burenganzira mufite bwo kwica umushaka. Ntabwo byemewe. Nibikora ndabinginze. Nuko filime itangiye. Nuko dutangiye. Uzi kubwira abantu ngo nta burenganzira baje kubumvisha uburenganzira bwe. Niba bwumva arabinginga niba byumvishe. Abo ni abantu umuntu bapimye bamukasa ugutwi ni abantu nkawe. American World Pictures na Lionsgate Films Inc. presents a Mark Lester film. Nuko filime itangiye. Antonio Sabato Jr. James Remar abo bose ni abakinnyi. The best guilty as charged. Kiraguhama nk'uko bikigushinjwa niko akazina ka filime yiswe guilty as charged. Jerome Kamugeraho ngo ni muri Cine West n'umusitari Yuji Okumoto. Abo bose ni abakinnyi. Yuji Okumoto, Diwani Davis akarimo cyane. Dutangira mugabo yaratwaye imodoka. Elijah Maha umugabo utwaye imodoka namukwibutsa mu dufilime twinshi yagukiniye agafilime yariyo The Best dutangiriyeho. Arongera gukinira Chaos Factor, yagukiniye Operation Wolfline, yagarutse muri iyi yakiniye High Voltage na Shannon Lee umukobwa wa Bruce Lee, yagarutse Antonio Sabato Jr. Don Aaron editor yaranonosoye barakoreka bari bafashe inzira araho berekeye. Gusa none dutangira hari umuntu wari umaze gupfa.
Hey boys, showtime.
Basore igihe cy'imyigereko showtime. Basore ni igihe cy'imyigereko.
Hey Slapdick, this deal was supposed to go down an hour ago. I got Fight Warriors outfit here.
Ibintu byakabaye byaranye mu isaha yarangiye. Kuki mwakererewe? Baratonga. Yoho.
This is the best thing that's ever happened to you morons.
Mwabasukamiye nibyo bintu bya mbere tugiye gukorana bibaho.
Some greedy nigger sergeant offered me the same damn deal as you did, so don't go breaking your arm and patting yourself on the back, huh?
Cyo mufite gukorana ugutuza ibintu byose bikajya mu buryo kandi nanone mukamenya ko mugiye gukorana turi nyangamugayo.
It's because no other white men around.
Abaje kugurisha imbundara Kamigo Casillas signora kubita umuntu kwitama. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Baragurisha intwaro ni muri Amerika y'Amajyepfo bari babisanye.
Boys, this here
basore
is the stuff.
Ibi hano nibyo nashakaga.
No problem with that.
Guilty charge ngo kiragwama nko kugishinjwa niko agafilime kiswe cyangwa se The Best igice cya kabiri. Best ni birindiro.
$49.95 from the sharper image and Detective Bug on any man. Why don't you boys just line up?
Line these idiots up.
Ujya ku mirongo mw'abadamu mwe babakira ku mirongo abaje kubagurisha. Ibi nagaruka byakabaye n'ingabo zije kugurisha intwaro z'igihugu.
You shut your hole.
Wewe funga umunwa.
My dear old Aryan daddy used to tell me,
trust
a man
ngo ntuzizane umugabo
until he's dead.
Until he's dead. Mpaka uwo mugabo apfuye.
This shit,
ngo
huh?
niko se wiki yakibwiye ntuzizere umugabo mpaka apfuye. Never trust a man until he is dead. Cyo nacyo ni ikigwa abafite ba mucuti murumve. Gusa muzajye mwizera, usibye ko jewe ndizera namwe muzizere. Gusa iyo afite ibyo se yamubwiye ntuzizere umugabo mpaka apfuye we.
You're what?
Cyaraje tuta nambari narota. Nakuru umuntu yaza kugurisha ufite intwaro we naza afite. Ngo mwumvikane benda kubica. Bendaga kubica. Dormoto. Uko baje kugurisha basa n'ababisizayo. Dore nada musindi. Saraka pasa dara bagabo. Aseshuru. Kira Antonio Sabato Junior bagabaje. Wachana kimwe ngo nikikizana umugabo mpaka apfuye. Kugira ngo hano siko bigaragaza ko kakutizerana. Dormoto.
Back me up, Ramirez, or you're gonna die, you hear me? Come on, Ramirez, start up!
Ramirez yagomba kujya mu modoka. Ramirez. Gira. Yo nambara ni muri Mexico. John. Ramirez agira ongera umuvuduko. Ramirez ni utwaye kombi yavanye launcher. Araka basi. Launcher. Bigabo yarabiyaye mu modoka byari bibakurikiyemo. Nuko byagenze. Kazine the best. Ibirindira igita cya kabiri. Niko filime yiswe cyangwa guilt as charged. Kiraguhama. Nuko bishinjwa.
Stop the truck!
Park imodoka. Stop the truck.
What the hell were you thinking when you started this shit, man?
Wari koraga ibitangira
You're
kugwa.
thinking when you took on an undercover cop as your partner.
Kubera icyo wanjanye ndi maneko nk'umwunganizi wawe.
Cop fights like that.
Na umupolisi urasa nkawe.
Private. And Uncle Sam.
Umupolisi w'umusirikare kandi Uncle Sam yakuntumye. Nimwe mwamaze ibikoresho bya gisirikare muza kugurisha ibyihebe. Harakabas yaje nk'umunetsi. Nuko yacakira Ramirez. Brian L. Ettingi, company producer. James Sackman, executive in charge of production, executive producer. Nuko gatangiye. Nuko gakomeje. Dana Dibovsky na Mark L. Lester baba yabahimbye bombi. Akazi na kafilme ni kakandi. Mark L. Lester, director.
Sir, we must protest. The evidence in the case against Private Ramirez is overwhelming. We will not
Ikirago gishinjwa Private Ramirez nabwo cyemewe.
the technicality.
You won't accept it. Colonel Howard, you have no choice.
Kano Howard naguhita mu
The case is strong.
It's Diego.
Unfortunately, because of the manner in which the arrest itself was conducted, there is no corroboration from eyewitnesses, and the actual physical evidence that would have supported the more serious charges was lost in the fire.
yaba yarundi muntu nanone umwe washoboraga kuba yashinja atari umwe gusa.
It is
None aravuga ngo ibihamya ibizibiti bigaragaza ko umuntu yaba yarakoze icyaha yahiriye mu muriro.
to be dropped for lack of evidence.
Iki kirego turagisubitse ndetse kirahagaritswe kubera ko nta bimenyetso simusiga bigaragaza ko Ramirez yacuzaga intwaro z'igihugu. Musiko gusa hako nari warakaye Private Ramirez bamuvanye mu rukiko. Uyu wagiye nk'umunetsi cyagiye ukagenda akamucakira ngo Uncle Sam aramushaka. Yasaga n'utsinzwe. Ramirez amucaho. Mukanya niyo nicyo cyagurishaga intwaro uyu maze agereza kuba yagicakira. Yagiye ari umunetsi kigira ngo n'umwunganizi wacu bagiye kugurishanya. Ubwo avuye mu rukiko rwa gisirikare. Code Marshal. Aje agazarwa musatiriye.
Sticks in your guts, doesn't it, Lieutenant?
Tena tugomba kuba
Sting operation leaves 4 civilians dead and we dropped the case.
umeze sawa. utameze
When
sawa.
a soldier gets out of line, we're supposed
Abasivile bane bapfuye uriya ari ubagurisha intwaro hanyuma ngo ikirego tukivuyeho.
Are you questioning the wisdom of a general court martial?
Uragerageza kuba wabaza uburyo urukiko se rwaba rurenganyamo abantu cyangwa
In case you haven't noticed
cyakurushinja
what it used to be,
icyo ufite gukora ni
get
ugutuza.
dismantled. Combat readiness degraded by government cutbacks, base closures.
Bamwe muri twe baturimo kandi nanone bashyigikira ibibi aho kugira ngo bashyigikire ukuri.
To do our job has never been lower.
Akazi kacu ntabwo kigeze kagenda mu murongo uko bikwiye.
It's something like the Ramirez case creates. That's a hell of a lot more damaging in the long run than his selling weapons to a bunch of yahoos.
Excuse me for asking, sir.
Barundi nanone utari Ramirez ushobora kuba bicuruza n'umuntu ukomeye.
Follow the signed orders.
Ninde icyo ufite gukora wowe ujye ukurikiza amategeko. Urakoze nyakubahwa. Pentagon Office of Military Intelligence. Tugarukaho Pentagon mu biro bikuru by'ubunetsi bwa gikomando bwa gisirikare.
This is your next case.
Kiri cyo kirego cyagikurikira.
For the past 15 months, 22 non-coms with criminal records have gone missing.
Amezi 15
The body of
hari
Sergeant
abasirikare
Edwards
bagenda babura.
in a foundation ditch by a construction crew.
Hari umusirikare umwe
Plus, they
twabonye.
hadn't poured cement, or he would have been lost forever.
Bamwe babuze burundu.
Sergeant Williams have a record?
Minor
Sergeant
focus,
Williams mwamufite amateka y'uwamuyoboraga cyangwa
Hospital.
undati cyane.
tried and acquitted. Forensics has given us our only real lead. There was skin found under Williams' fingernails that matched the DNA of this man.
Uyu mugabo kugira tunamenye ko ari wanu yari yarapfiriye twabonye ibikumwe bye nanone bigenda na DNA yiwe.
Fort Cheney.
Amaraso ye.
Williams' body was found less than 10 miles from Cheney. And the CO, Colonel Howard Strauss,
Nanone wamuyoboraga akaba ari we CEO Colonel Howard Strauss. Yasaga n'uyakana ko ataza amarengero ye. CEO Commanding Officer.
you're being assigned to his unit as a non-com
Turashaka kugira ngo tube twakohereza kwa Strauss.
and get some real answers.
Ukurikirane neza ibyo bakora ndetse ukurikirane n'ibyo baba barimo. Turashaka ibisubizo bya nyabyo. Hari abasirikare bakomeje kubura. Nanone bakaba bashinja Strauss ko ari we ushobora kuhabanyiriza. Colonel Strauss.
So he can stay close to his men.
Gerageza umusatire nanone ukomeze gukorana n'abasore be.
Because that'll lead us to all the other missing person cases we have open.
Hari ibyo ngibyo byazaturangira bikanatwereka abandi basirikare bagiye babura n'uburyo bagiye baburamo. Strauss hari icyo ababiziho. Bamwohereje mu bindi birindiro. US Army Fort Cheney. Cheney muri ku birindiro bamwoherejeho. Lieutenant aje nk'amakurutu. Colonel Strauss ni uyobora ahantu yari agiye. Ikintu narebe nibwo akinjira mu kigo. Ni umusirikare mushyashya. Bamuhaye transfer. Va mu kigo kimwe ajya mu kindi. Nibwo akinjira mu kigo. Hari abasirikare bakomeje kubura. Barabura ari uyoboye CEO Company Commanding Officer. Wow! Strauss arakekwaho. Bombe dore Strauss ngo yakuna afite n'ikipe y'abasore bakorana. Afite ngo uburyo agenda akanyereza abantu bose bagiye mu rukiko bagasa naho barekurwa n'urukiko. Bohereje umusore ushaka kumuneka. Akazina ka Payment the best too. Bamwe mu bagambanira ingabo bakorana nazo. Bagambanira n'igihugu. Niba kuwa mbere yatocye agafilime gatangira n'uwacuruzaga intwaro mu kindi gihugu mu buryo butemewe.
But I'm giving you one now. Lose the jacket.
Panama jacket nategeko nigeze ngo agusuba ndari gwaye. Amagaro. Pole ni bajyaho ku murongo hari.
Kill rule number 1. There isn't a human being that cannot be entirely disabled within 30 seconds. Am I right? Yes, sir!
Tegeko rya mbere.
Right then.
Umuntu ushobora kuba wamenye cyagiye kugukorera mu minota 30. Sibyo abandi baticana nyakubahwa.
Get in there.
Wowe winjira mu rwambariro hariya. Bahamagara wa mbere bagomba guhangana. Ni igikobwa. Mu masegonda 30 wamenye icyo umuntu ashaka gukorera uyu nabwo yari yakabimenye baramwoherereza. Igikobwa. Undaraza.
Come on, Williams!
Piga yeye Williams. Nuko filime gatangiye kizina. Izina ni the best gice cya kabiri the best 2. Cyangwa guilty as charged. Turaguhama.
Davis!
Cyaha. bazanye indwanyi rero koko bazanye indwanyi ariko sinzi koko bigaye ndacyagwasha nanjye ongeraho sha gira mama we dore intambara juba kuri bya bindi birigi yayora umuntu ni Metis mu Metis yashayora umuntu none kuntu mugabo ari inzobe hasi guruka giranya munini gira come on big guy cyane mufate erikave zirakora hano
All right, Goose, let him up. Goose, let him
Eric Chavez rakora Goose yakura umuntu nyamweri bamwita Goose ahita amuvaho ni kazungu Metis kamera wabi Hano Strauss nawe yifatiramo.
You did good, son. But never let your guard down.
Koze neza musare muto.
You can beat me. You can beat the best.
Nuramuka je undushije nibwo uzashobora kuba wacaho mu byo waje gukora. Tugendesha the best. Antonio Sabato Jr. Antonio Sabato Jr.
Sir. Thank you, Corporal. Did you have a good workout, Hawks?
I'm glad they held back, sir.
They came at your full force, you'll be wearing your head backwards.
Yaje mu biro bye akono bagomba kwiga ku mateka ye.
Drill instructor.
My family has a strong military tradition, sir.
Glad to hear that.
Waba wirigeze baho muri Japan dati cyane dufite amateka
Can you identify
maremare.
this weapon?
Aka kantu
It's
wakambwira.
tento blade, sir.
Ni ntwaro. Komeye.
Traditional use as seppuku, sir.
Abayapani bayikoreshaga muri seppuku. Seppuku ni iki?
It is a ritual suicide when a samurai failed at a given order. Rather than to lose face, he would disembowel himself with the tento blade.
Umusamurai yamaze kunanirwa akoresha iki cyuma aho kugira ngo yo kwizerwa mu muryango nanone akemera kiyahuza iki cyuma nibyo bita seppuku.
Excellent, Hawks.
Koze neza Hawks.
Some people think that's carrying a sense of duty a bit too far. I don't. Selflessness is the soldier's greatest weapon. Do you know why we lost in Vietnam?
Uzi impamvu twahumye muri Vietnam ikintu cya mbere nshaka n'umusirikare ukurikiza itegeko.
Our troops were betrayed by the superior officers who failed to believe in the cause. 2, the Vietnamese soldier. He could march 10 miles on a handful of rice and fight all night if he had to.
Yatangiye kumusobanurira. Abasore b'abanyamerika batojwe n'abasirikare bari batazi impamvu bajya kurwana muri Vietnam ngo bumvishe abasore ko bagomba kurwana muri Vietnam ku mpamvu runaka. Ikindi kandi nanone intambara aba Vietnam barwanaga zo mbuvomo ntabwo abasore bacu bari baziteguriye.
Keep it simple.
Arimo araganira nawe.
Don't fuck up.
Icyo ufite gukora ni ugutuza. Noza nkubwira icyo uzakora kandi nkakubwira n'impamvu. Bitware boro icyo nzajya ngutegeka ari cyo ukurikiza. Kano Strauss. Uyu mwibuke baramwohereje ngo asaneke Strauss. Aho yagiye mu rwambarira abanje kwacomeka utwuma dukurura amajwi. Strauss mu cyumba cye. Kano Strauss. CEO. Kano Strauss. Mu biro bye harimo nambara za kera ibyabaye. Ibintu by'ibyapa bigaragaza uyu niwe mukomando kuko yakomeje gukurikirana ibyabaye amateka y'igihugu cy'Amerika n'uburyo barwanagamo. Kugeza n'uyu munsi. Kano Strauss. Uyu niwe wohereje ngo amuneke. Strauss amaze gusohoka mu biro bye. Mwebwe ngo Strauss hari abakomando bakomeje kunyerezwa mu buryo butazwi. Kandi akaba ari abantu babura bakomeje kumukekwaho. Ko ari ushobora kuba waburisha. Uyu niwe bohereje kugira ngo amuneke. Bakabura baravuye mu rukiko batsinze.
So what?
Akakuna.
Shots in on you today.
When we try something like that again, I'm gonna whip off his head and shit down his throat.
Hey, what are you doing, Goose? That's Hawk's gear.
Bari hakuno baraganira naho bambarira niyo kipe ye. N'abasore bato baba bari kumwe na saa yose. Atoza.
Made of. Look at the squad.
No doubt.
Can I help you with something?
Nagufasha.
No? You got any porn?
Sorry, man. It gets me too worked up, but I like to take things nice and easy.
Amen to that. Here, you ought to try it sometime, Goose.
Don't give me nice and easy when all you think about is blowing people.
Goose gomba kubutangaje. Barimo baraganira. Icyo mufite gukora no kuwiga kubyo mwiga mukareka kunjyana cyane mu mirongo yanyu. Goose.
What's the difference?
Niwe kazungu.
Exist before she enlisted. None of us did. You know, you ask a lot of questions.
Ako urabaza ibibazo
That
byinshi.
Hawks?
Mukora mute hano we icyo ufite gukora no kumvira itegeko.
Say, huh?
mwaraye nyakuba
As
yaraje.
you were. You all put in a hell of a day today, and I felt you deserved a reward.
Musu wari ukomeye niyo mpamvu bazaniye ko kunywa musangiremo.
I want you all drunker and a virgin on prom night by the time Taps rolls around, because tomorrow, I'm gonna work you so hard you're gonna wish your mom has never squeezed you out.
Mukomeze mwihangane kuko uyu munsi wari ukomeye gusa kuko ejo bamwe bazicuza impamvu ni ukubera iki bavutse.
Strauss isn't just a commander.
Strauss ntabwo ari komanda gusa.
He's one of us.
Ni umwe muri twe. Ni n'inshuti turumva ukuntu aganira. Komanda.
Boys, huh?
Munezerwe abasore.
Huh?
Kobwa kiri hano.
Bored.
Ga byinshi kigakurura. Hey. Gisanze rero ugira cyagira.
This sentence can be called just
Tugaruka muri court martial.
Daniel.
Hari undi muntu nanone basaga nabo barimo gushinja.
an assault. An act so brutal that the lieutenant he attacked has been fighting for her life for the last 6 weeks in an intensive care ward and could not testify here today.
Lieutenant ntabwo ashoboye kuza gushinja ko yamufashe ku gufarangije aramwica.
So I cannot believe that this court would even consider nothing more than a demotion and a suspended sentence.
Ndumva ko nta kindi urukiko rwakora kereka gushinja uyu muntu bakamuvanaho amapeti ye bakanamwirukana mu
Punish
ngabo.
this man to the fullest extent that the military code.
Tegeko reka rimuhane rimware
Appreciate the
ry'imuhima.
prosecutor's zeal.
Dukurikije ibyo uvuze.
Special considerations come into play in this case. Please stand.
Turasaba urimo gushinjwa ahaguruke n'umwunganizi.
I think is a harsh penalty for this young officer.
Uyu mwofisiye muto byaba bikomeye tumwambuye amapeti.
Code of conduct from this day forward. This court-martial is adjourned.
Urukiko rusezereye ikirego nticyumvikana. Bamushinjaga kuba yarafashe mugenzi we ku ngufu ngo aranjira anamwica. Nawe yari lieutenant nk'uyu. Basi atsinze ikirego nuko yagomba gusohoka. Hari uwo telefoni mwakuno. Lieutenant Colonel Strauss. Murangiza uwo muswa. Cyatsinze mu rukiko. Okay, turaza kubikoraho. Strauss ari umutelefone akavuga ko ari icyatsinze mu rukiko ngo agenda gitunganye. Hari n'abandi mwibukaga filime gatangiye twatangiye arimo kuraswa katwawe n'ugutwi.
We'll handle it.
Ndaza kubikora. I handle it.
Point. Clarity of purpose. It's your best ally.
When do we make contact?
Figure daybreak.
Ibiruta nuko mwakwirinda ibyo mukora byose. Tuzabonana ryari n'uwo muntu. Ejo isaha iyo ariyo yose muzabonana n'uzabarangira ahantu azaba ari. Kumbe ibyo bavugaga byose. Lieutenant bazanye yabyumvaga Antonio Sabato arakurikiranira hafi nibo bantu bamwohereje kuneka. Hari umuntu bashaka kugirira nabi ngo watsinze mu rukiko. Ikimodoka cyabo kigenda bagomba gukurikira. Nuko vuga arabagenda amasaha yose uko bishoboka. Aruwo bagomba guhura nawe hakuno bakaba bari mu rusango lieutenant wa wundi watsinze mu rukiko ngo bamukoreho. Baramukoraho gutekurikira nareba uyu niwe munetse. Military intelligence n'umunetse wa gisirikare araneka abasirikare bagenzi be.
Morning.
Aramutse aramutse.
How's your commander?
He's good.
Komanda wameze ati afite ubwoba.
Busy?
Imeze sawa ndati cyane. Kumbe hari ibintu bakorana. Yarafotoye. Niwe munetse bohereje.
Good job.
Arafotora bagambanira igihugu. Ibuka muri the best rimwe bagambanira igihugu bajya kugurana intwaro urumogi. In the best too aba bagambanira igihugu uruvuye mu rukiko asa nawe yatsinze bafite uburyo bamwitaho mu buryo butari bwiza. Baramwica. Uyu nibyo akurikirana ese koko byaba ari byo cyangwa. Nanone hari ubohereza. Ubohereza ninde kuri kintu narebe. Uyu utanze ipapuro yaraje aramubana kwe hano.
What's against Colonel Strauss? What are you talking about? The case!
Mitchell Strauss.
What was in the case?
Nebiki byari mu ivarisi.
Sign your own death warrant, asshole.
Uri muri nsinyira urupfu rwawe gicucu.
Here, that's exactly.
You are signing your own death. Aso ni umuswa. Gicarizo. Balatange kiriruka. Kiriruka arimo kugiperezaho. Ngo nibiki byari mu ivarisi. Haya basi. Oh. Ntabwo yashoboye kurengaho. Nuwo yiruka bagomba kumubwira ibyari mu ivarisi.
Talk to him, man. Come on.
Amuswa we.
Nobody's gonna talk to you. The hell took an oath, and I'd rather die.
Kuvugana nawe biraruta ko nawe washaka uburyo wiyahura hakiri kare kuko uri muri isinyira urupfu.
My one chance that I contact ended in a DOA.
Nagiye kumubaza apfa ntamubajije nuko byagenze. Strauss ari hakuno.
But he's old school. Cares about a squad.
Squad.
Kintu cyambere nabonye kuri Strauss yita cyane ku kipe ye.
Preps ready to move out by 0100.
Turaza kugenda mu isasa bazuzi.
All right, let's go.
Mwitegure.
Where do you think you're going?
Wowe urakekura
On
cyane.
assignment, sir.
Waruvuze ko tugiye kugenda mu isasa mwizwi.
You're to report to the armory. There's 50 M16s waiting to be broken down and cleaned by 0600.
Wowe ntabwo uri bujyane nabo ndaza kohereza ahandi. Turaza kubumurinde hano aho mu birindiro ni uri buri. Nanone ufata ubundi myitozo ukunda abandi bayifata. Hanyuma ibindi biraza kuza mu nyuma.
Complete setup of surveillance equipment. And as per orders, I will submit all my tapes with my report. Personal note. They think I'm a grunt.
Nyakuba bashobora kuba banyeka. Kuko nagiye kujyana nabo basa nk'abamagaritse.
They're hard-nosed soldiers who know their business.
Ntabwo bemerera umusirikare utazi business yabo bakora kugira ngo abinjiremo.
I'd say I'd probably serve with them.
Ndavuga ibiruta nuko nakomeza kwihangana nyakubawa. Nabinjire muri ako kanya. Mumbe ako nari Nyiramana na Mukamana baje ku kazi. Usibye ko basa naho bahagaze hanze ariko baje ku kazi.
Fuck you!
Yeah.
You're with me! You can do anything you fucking want!
Chaka kugira ngo nyinishe bushaka intambara rata we.
And you cannot be touched. 'Cause
Hanyuma
you're
we.
me! I'm the fucking golden child!
Nijya udakorwaho ata tugende mwembi. Tugende mwembi.
Anyway, being my buddy's the best deal anybody can have!
Yamutuka mwibuke neza agafilime mukanya umusirikare bashinjaga lieutenant bashinjaga bavuga ngo bamwambura mupiti yose.
Get all
Lieutenant mutoya yewe watonganaga uko yagahagaze mu kabari harabavuye mu modoka muri ubwo buryo. Hari uwabategetse abangaba yategetse Kano Strauss ngo bagende bamubone. Nuko byagenze baramucakiye mu modoka the best too guilty as charged kiraguhama nko gishinjwa. Niko gafilme turona namba nsine ebyiri nuko bamucakiye umusore baratwara. Rakabas yaje iwe bamufashe.
This tribunal is now in session. The subject to be considered is one of the worst cases ever brought before us. The record shows that on October 15th, 1998, Lieutenant Zach
Ibyandiko biragaragaza ko wakoze icyaha ndetse ukigambiriye.
so traumatized her,
Wamufasha kungufura na mwishi.
dismissed from active duty.
Ugiye gusezererwa mu kazi. You are going to be dismissed from the active duty.
Lieutenant Zach's father's a senator on the Appropriations Committee. The charges were dropped.
Wakoze amakosa ahambaye.
Well, that shit doesn't fly here.
Ibyo bintu nagwano
Are
bikora.
you fired?
Kirakwa.
Guilty.
Guilty as hell.
Kiramuhama nyakubaho.
Guilty, sir.
Kiramuhama.
Fry's ass. Guilty.
Reka tumusimbutse kiramuhama.
You'll
Guilty.
be taken to a secret location. There you will
Ugiye kujyanwa ahantu h'ibanga.
to die a warrior's death.
Ugiye gupfa urupfu rw'indwanyi rw'ingabo y'indwanyi. To die a warrior's death. Urupfu rw'ingabo y'indwanyi. Warrior's death. Warrior ni indwanyi. Babagabo bitwa bantambara. Ngo bagiye kumujyana ahantu h'ibanga. Bagiye kumujyana ahantu h'ibanga. Secret place. Kugira ngo apfe urupfu rw'indwanyi. Rw'ingabo uko bakamujyanye kumbu yabumvaga ibyo bakoraga byose n'ibyo bavugaga. Wari ibyandiko hano bigaragaza yuko ngo Kimuhama bataragenda ari wabicometsemo ashaka kureba aho hantu ibanga nihe. Hari abantu bakomeza gupfa buri munsi. Icyamwoherejwe hano kugira ngo akore bari kugira ngo neke ni bande bagambanira igihugu, ni bande bakora ibitemewe n'ibyo bakabaye bakora, ibidahura n'ibyo bakabaye bakora. Dore ahantu ibanga mu mashyamba aho izuba rirasa nta n'inyoni bayo zitinya amasasu yaho. Haguruka hasi igicucu agiye gupfa urupfu rw'intwari.
Wait a minute.
That's a minute.
Did you hear something?
Just jacked up to get after this guy. Let's move it.
You can't do this!
Tugira ibi ntago mwabikora. Arimo arasa n'usaba gusaba kandi nanone uzi gusaba wumvisha abantu uburenganzira bwawe ntibabwumve warangiza ukabinginga. Nabyo birababaza. Urukiko rwaramurekuye abana bagiye kumwihanira ku giti cyabo. Akazi na Film in the Base ibirindiro. Iyi ni kabiri yayo. Hari the Base rimwe. Iyi yongewe irindi zina yongeyeweho irindi zina ngo kiraguhama nkuko gishinzwe.
Willing and able to kick ass. You got a problem, Willits?
Ikibazo kuri ibi wose?
Sir, no problem, sir.
Nyakuba nta kibazo mfite.
Because this is the best goddamn training you'll ever get.
Iyi niyo myitozo ya mbere ugiye kuzabona mu buzima bwawe.
If you give him a chance.
Turamuha amahirwe. Umusirikare.
You've got 2 minutes.
Ufite iminota 2.
And weapons hidden in those trees.
Intwari iri hariya mu majyaruguru hari uraza kubona akantu gasa naho arakoze.
Pricks are in deep shit.
Mwese muri byago urwo nurushyi ninde wigisha ibyago hano?
You were sentenced to a warrior's death.
Ugiye kwitwa urupfu rw'intwari. Nta mpamvu yo yindi yo kuvuga menshi. Wakoze icyaha.
You didn't live like a soldier. At least never try to die like one.
Nta mpamvu yo gupfa nkaho utari umusirikare. Ufite iminota 2. Strauss.
You want to die right now?
Shaka gupfana na? Tangira kigoryi ujya gushaka imbunda yawe tuguhige. Ngo niyo myitozo ya mbere bazabona mu buzima bwabo. Hakuno uyu musore yarababaye wose. Arabona ibidakwiye. Wose yarababaye. Gusa nako ntibyamera n'umwe mbasirikare bayobowe na Kano Strauss. Dore umusore kuntu yirukanze. Ngo najye kubona intwaro kumbe umunetsa aracyakomeje kubaneka. Arashaka ukuri nukuhe koko. Ahantu ngo ni secret place. Ahantu hibanga. Bajya kwicira bakica ngo urupfu rwagira ubu.
Thank you, Goose. 1:45. I gave him 2 minutes. I'm giving you 4 to locate and terminate this son of a bitch with extreme prejudice. This scumbag is a disgrace to the uniform.
Mushaka uyu muswa yasabeje uniform.
Hell, we don't need him on the fucking planet.
Ntabwo tumukeneye kuri uyu mubumbe. We don't need him on this fucking planet. Ntabwo bamukeneye kuri uyu mubumbe wacu ari yose. Mugende mushake mubone munamugire. Bamwe eliminating no kumurangiza bakavanaho barimbure. Dore abagabo barahiga undi mugabo ngo uyu hakuno uwo bayiga mugenzi barimo baramuhiga dore ngo uyu yaragenda gwirirana. Mwibuke neza hari undi nukomeje gukurikirana hafi ibintu birimo kuba. Uyu mugabo yari umusirikare urukiko rwaramurekuye ruvuga ko arengana. Hari abandi barimo kumuhiga, hari abandi bamuhiga dore ngo uyu mu mashyamba arakira cyangwa katurore yageze ahantu hari imbunda koko. Shiramo basana babonye mwebwe n'abafite imbunda. Ni ingabo nkawe n'abagabo nkawe hari uri afurimo gukurikirana arakira cyangwa sinzi. akazina ka filime The Best igice cya kabiri The Best 2. baje bacobaga mu baje.
Take the kill shot.
baje yaramupimye arangije namworene wa musore wose.
Flee! We lost him.
turamubuze.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
wakoraga biki wowe ufite ikihe kibazo? kumbe yari udashaka kumurasa. wose ntabwo ashaka kumurasa. uwo babwiye ngo nagume mu birindiro nawe yabakurikiranye hakuno aracyaneka hari uwamwohereje. Uncle Sam.
That asshole.
Uri umupfugicucu.
Sir, I heard shots.
False alarm.
Nyakubahwa twumvisha amasasu wibeshye.
Still running.
amerekezo arimo kurasa amasi yarimo. kumbe yumvisha hakuno igikoma hari ikindi kibarimo. cyaje kibakurikiye nicyo arasaga.
Hold it.
Memuretse gatoya.
I got a print.
bavuze ko atari inanga handi makurasa. twibeshye bamurashe handi abandi.
That's military. Could be Willits circling around.
We'll head him off down the trail, sir.
Go.
bagomba gutangira. ko byashoboka kumbe hano ntabwo hashize amakenga. hari icyo wumvishe gihari kandi hano ahantu y'ibanga nta n'inyoni zagenda. biratunye amasasu buri munsi barimo gukomwa hano. yari yica munsi y'igiti nyakubahwa caho. iki nicyo bendaga kuvumbura. mwibuke neza arimo aramaneka arakurikiranira hafi ibyo bakora. Katroli The Best 2. aya basi bisa naho apimwe. iracyakomeza abagabo baje bayobowe na Goose. Lieutenant Colonel Strauss ndetse na Goose baramuhaye drawo yaguye.
Excellent job, Sergeant. Bullets.
koze neza
Still
Sergeant.
alive.
wose murigira ari muzima murangize.
Finish him off.
murangize vuba.
Sir, I
Nyakubahwa.
hesitated before attacking. By then, the target was out of kill range, sir.
namurebye hanyuma ahita ncika ava imbere yanjye
I don't know,
nyakubahwa.
sir.
kubera
Finish
icyagucice
it now.
simbizi. murangize noneho.
Take the kill shot.
fata igipimo cya nyacyo.
You're hesitating again, Willits.
urimo uracyatina none wose.
Soldier than this. Back off in combat and you put the lives of your entire squad in jeopardy.
urimo urangiza imipango y'igikipe yose nuramuka wanza kumurasa.
Me down.
yarabyanze.
Kill him. Do it.
bikore wose arumva ko atabikora. yamwishyiriyemo. Colonel Strauss CO Strauss. nuko umusore yaguye. bararebye mugenzi wa musore arareba wose bamukase n'ugutwi.
He isn't yours, mister. But you're gonna bury this man, Willits. Squad!
wose ukoze amakosa gusa noneho tugiye kuguha akazi ko kumwambura umugabo. Squad dutangire. nuko bapfaga barazimiraga ntibamenye aho bazimiririye. bamuhaye akazi ko kumuhamba niba yananiwe kumwica. basi
I want you in the back with me.
wenda gushaka mu modoka turi kumwe.
Go!
Goose genda cha. yaje wamuramba baho mbe yaratarapfa bamwambye atari yanapfa. yamucakiyeho
Bitch.
abaswa bakoze ubuswa barakora ubuswa bamaze igihe bakora ubuswa.
You looking for me?
arimo ntegereje se.
Finished, sorry?
Yeah, the M16s are ready to go. Just
uyu nawe basa n'abatamwizera ni koko se. umbe nawe ntabwo abizera we yamaze kare kubavumbura ibyo barimo. urabinjirira cyane nanone ukabisira.
Right, well.
Tonio Sabato Operation Wolverine yarayikiniye arongera gukina kandi kitwa Chaos Factor yagukiniye High Voltage yagarutse muri yakiniye nyinshi
Take care of my friends whenever they want. All the vehicles.
bari hakuno iyo barangije ibyo bakora baraza bakaganiramo hakuno
Not you,
wose arasa nawe yabikaseho kubera ko yabonye ko ibyo bakora atari byo.
It's a good start.
So anyway, I had this training lieutenant who didn't know dick about the field.
Urabizi ariko n'ibintu by'imyitozo tujyana mu lieutenant nuko utabizi ariko ni byiza kuruta ibindi.
You can trust somebody who's never even seen combat.
Bishoboka bita ko wakwizera umuntu utigeze ubona no mu ntambara iki kintu two kukizera. Baravuga Sabato nta kupfa kumwizera. Kwizera umuntu utigeze ubona no mu ntambara. Niyo nguyu agenda bizera. Kumbe mu batizera niwe wa mbere. Nibuka neza agafilme gatangira ikigabo cyo muri Mexico cyamubwiye ngo se yarakibwiye ngo ntuzizera umuntu mpaka amaze gupfa. Ari hakono ngo se niko yakundaga kukibwira unizizera umugabo kugeza apfuye.
First round, Zane.
Hakuno arabavuga ko batamwizera. Iracyakomeza komeza kagakobwa. Sergeant. Baramamagaye bajya gukina kuri KBR.
I've never seen one like this before, you know?
What do you mean?
You know, all ready to go. Pumped.
Box. What do you want?
What?
Sura shaki.
Come on, what do you want?
Chichi. Shaki.
Time hitch?
Gereza kuba hakurikiranira hafi uratubaza tubazo twinshi.
Military's my life.
The recruit.
Biratangaje nuko umenya ni bande dukorana.
Clean cut. All-American boy. Can't wait to fight for mom's apple.
Cyangombwa nuko twese turi abana b'Amerika. Ibyo dukora tubikorera igihugu cyacu.
We'll see.
Ko bimeze ni igikobwa. Mbe hakuno wose ari maramwe wenyine.
Let's talk.
Tugende we ngwino tuvugane. Ngwino tuvugane. Gusi nuko yasohokanye wa musore.
They'll handle it.
Bari yasaba mujyanye baraza kubikora wibitaho.
You're tougher than any of those three guys, huh? It didn't happen overnight.
My dad was the DI at Fort Dix. He dropped dead at 35.
Iri joro riratangaje.
My mom's sober. Was at her next 3 weddings.
Umukobwa yatangiye kumuganira uko byagenze.
What'd you do?
Jango yinjiye no mu ngabo.
Screwed and drank and smoked a load of weed.
Jango wacu waje kuzambusa na wangiritse na second y'upfubye.
So what brought you back?
Kanoni wamwinjije mu ngabo.
Kind of let things get out of control. I needed some structure.
Rimwe na rimwe arigiye bindengaho nkabura kwikontrola gusa kana kongera kangarura. Kano Strauss.
Strauss was a friend of my father's and he showed me how to achieve all that.
Kano Strauss yari inshuti ya data ni wanyigishije n'ibindi byose kubigeraho. Ubuzima ntabwo bworoshye. Barimo baraganira.
What a guy.
Mu kabari.
Best soldier.
Umusirikare mwiza niwe musirikare wa mbere nabonye.
He's the best man I know.
Niwe mugabo wa mbere nanone nabonye.
Talking to you.
Ufata inshingano nk'abagabo ibyo ndabizi. Arimo aramwumvisha kumbe yabonye kari imyanzuro afata. Niya nta kigenda. Niya nta kigenda.
Shot.
Bari hakuno.
Here's to the 8 ball champ.
No. Here's to knowing your duty and fucking doing it.
Ikintu cya mbere yanga ni umuntu kurenga ku nshingano ze. Kuko iyo urenza ku nshingano zawe ubwo umushakisha nawe urabyumva. Uzi umuntu kumubwira kata ari wo muyoboraga kata handa utashakaga ko akata. Nabyo ni ibibazo. Nuko ubwo ngubwo uburimo gushaka uwo muntu. Iyo urenze rimwe na rimwe ku murongo ubwo urimo gushakisha nyiri umurongo. Umurongo iyo atari uwawe. Kumbe wa musore bamucakiye. Arimo arabiryozwa biba byita kuryoza. Arabiryozwa. Arakubwira arasa nurase. Ubwo nubushaka wakubwiye. Urasa. Bakubise umusore. No. Nakindi nakongera namwe murabireba barapima ku mutwe kandi. Soldiers of fortune. Uyaje yiruka kugera hakuno. Sanga kumere nabi. Nawe batangiraho.
What the fuck is going on?
Niki kijya mbere hano?
They ran out of here.
You're out of line, Hawks. You don't know what the fuck's going on.
When urumuswa wa Gene Hawks. Ntabwo se bijya mbere hano ni ibiki? Hawks na Antonio Sabato Jr.
I better.
Wigize nk'atazi n'iki bapfa kumva arabyisi byose.
Goose, Davis, take this man to my office.
Goose Dennis mufate umugabo mujyane mu biro byanjye. Yego nyakubahwa.
It's now. No one fucks with the unity of this squad.
Wego mano sinshaka kugira ngo unity cyangwa squad yari yose yangirike. Ari giye yobora.
You're throwing yourself away, son. And I will not allow that.
Sir, I'm sick that I disobeyed a direct order, but I could not bring myself to kill that man.
Is that what you're gonna say to your buddy whose face just got...
Nyakuba nshobora kuba nasozwe itegeko gusa ntabwo byari ubushake bwanjye.
Sir,
Nabona ari umugabo mugenzi wanjye ugiye gupfa. Nuko uko bavuga bado nsaba gutegetse.
I can't kill a fellow soldier.
Nabona kwita umusirikare mugenzi wa Nyakuba.
He gave that up when he attacked a fellow officer.
Tete kuriya n'umwe yari umwanzi w'igihugu.
We stood him up in front of a tribunal and voted him guilty. You voted him guilty.
Twabicakishije kubimuranga dusanga cyaha kimuhama. Nawe kandi washinje ko kimuhama kumbe ibyo bavuga byose yarabyumva afite n'akaradi hari agafata amajwi.
Now you want to back off?
Shaka kubivamo?
Let me tell you something, son.
Reka ngire icyo nkubwira.
No one in my squad backs off.
Nta n'umwe muri squad yanjye uvamo.
Soldier. So that leaves you with a choice. You either continue with the squad,
Shaka gukomezanya natwe cyangwa urashaka
the
kuvamo.
tribunal on a mutiny charge.
Urabizi kandi uko abantu bavamo. Dusanga kimuhama. Na upfa kuvamo. Kazungu yaramurebye n'abandi baramureba vuga ko ushaka kuva mu ngufu. Nyakubahwa ndimo.
Not to continue on as part of the squad, sir.
Shaka gukomeza mu nshingano zanjye nyakubahwa. Gusa rumva yavamo. Kazungu ashobora kureba gutyo. Kabura ko avuga ngo urashaka kuvamo. Raka basi yahise ako kanya telefona.
The code is dead, man. I need to set a personal meeting with my field contact.
Nshaka kunyombe nahura nawe nyakubahwa wanyoresha. Mbone ubone. Hari ibyo amaze kugeraho. Hari ibyo amaze kubona. Nshaka guhura na nyir'ubwite. Field contact. Wagenda gahura nawe bakaganira. Nguyu hakuno ni wamutumye.
I have never seen a guy get his balls stuck in a vice quite like you, John. Jeez, you're the champ. Oh, you're special. Now, the editorial, tell me what you think.
Umbe ibyo bavugaga byose hanyuma umbwira icyo utekereza. Byahindi byose ikigabo cyavugaga. Ngo basanze umugabo kimuhama niyo mpamvu bagiye kumwica.
It's inconclusive.
Nage ibihagije.
Well,
sorry.
The man touched it before he died. There should be a print on the crystal. I'll run it. But you gotta get me more, John.
Ugomba kunzanira byinshi birenze John.
Officer of some pretty wild shit.
Ibyo niko bimeze.
Backups, statements, proof of every single charge.
Ibimenyetso simusiga bigaragaza buri cyo bazi bumushinje cyo cyose.
Against the colonels? Come on, John, you read the file?
John warabizi wasomye ibyandiko babiri bamaze kubarekura wibereye mu rukiko. Hari uwo wafashe baburi kimenyetso baramurekura kandi ubwo yacuzaga intwaro. Genda uriuza n'ibimenyetso simusiga mwibuke buri mupfufa mukatugutwi nibuko gutwa kujyana n'ibyo utambaza.
He hates Strauss. Might be able to back me up. And there's
Strauss aramutse amumbuye bya bibi. Nabafasha muri.
She might be helpful too.
Harije bya mbere.
The girl, get on the tribunal and find out who all the players are. Hell, we might even get lucky with a live victim who can testify against them.
Byibuze turamutse tugize icyo tumenya byaba byiza tukabona wenda n'undi muntu wakwemera kuzashinja nkuko nawe ushinja.
Thanks, Joe.
Akoze nyakubahwa Joe.
Let's go.
Gende. Nitozo bayifatira hakuno.
No sense getting killed before the battle.
Kumbano. Uyu bamukubise kandi abamukubitagaho baboherezaga n'uyu nguyu Strauss. Yari mu myitozo nabo bari hakubya mu yindi myitozo afite umujinya darukura mureba.
Target me, Hawks. I don't want your fucking sympathy.
Mwimbaza byinshi nambabaza nyifite. Uwo ni Hawks arimo kumbaza John Hawks.
I want to help you.
Nshaka kugufasha.
I don't know you, Hawks.
Ntabwo nkuzi Hawks.
I'll help myself.
Njyewe ndifite. Arumva ko n'undi muntu yakwizera. Cyarebye kano hanyuma kandi wongere kumbaza ibindi. Kandi uko yagahagaze. Yita kizu yamenye ko bigiye kuba bibi. Uracyatinda none wose arimo ari kumubwira ngo niyice umusirikare mugenzi we. Yagaraga kigejeje kuri kandi cyuma. Baragicekera mpaka hasi. kora amakosa kigapfiraho.
It's for the good of the squad!
Bruce, Davis!
Don't you understand? It's for the squad!
Take Sergeant Willits into custody for assaulting a superior officer.
Yes, sir.
Mugende mumushyire mu biro aho agomba gufungirwa kubera gushaka kwinjirira umuyobozi we. Yego nyakuba baramuyoye. Yarafashe icyuma.
Sergeant Hawks.
Sergeant
The
Hawks.
vacancy in the squad. Would you like to fill it?
Yes, sir.
Shaka gukora iby'aki squad ikora ndati cyane nyakubaho. Nyakubaho bonye mutabara uburi muri squad. Nitujya kugira icyo dukora uzajya uburimo.
Let's go!
Aya basi.
Hey, Hawks.
Hawks. Ubu Strauss arakwizeye kubura mutabaye. Wose yendaga kumutera icyuma. Aya basi. Bafashe inzira dore muri gijuru.
Entire adult life. What I've seen in the last 20 years has devastated military morale.
Ibyo nabonye mu myaka 20 hari abantu bagenda bagaca abandi intege.
Can't stand that, sir.
Ndabyumva nyakubaho.
What would you say if I told you I knew a way to get that pride back?
Nizere ko icyo nakubwira icyo aricyo cyose gukora wakurikiza itegeko ribayirije itegeko.
You can believe it.
I've been missing that, sir.
Nuko meze nyakubaho.
The tribunal is?
It's a court of law.
It's a court of justice. For soldiers.
Hari urukiko rwa gisirikare nanone rukaba ari urukiko rw'ubutabera rw'abasirikare.
Because we're expecting.
Iyo runaniwe byanze bikunze hari akazi dukora twebwe nk'inshingano zacu.
He does it tenfold because he's taken an oath to defend his country.
Umusirikare wese yagiye kurahirira kurinda igihugu cye.
He violates the trust of his unit and he should be punished in the extreme. Do you agree?
Agomba guhanwa mu gihe agerageje kuba yarenga ku mategeko arabyemera ndetse cyane.
A civilian can be as candy-assed as he wants.
Umusivile yakwigira icyo ashatse mu gihe abishaka.
Body and spirit.
Gusa umusirikare
Because it serves as
ku mubiri ndetse no mu bitekerezo.
all about.
Nta na kimwe yakwihitiramo batamuhitiyemo.
And a soldier.
Nizo nshingano z'umusirikare.
How would you feel about serving on such a court?
Honored, sir.
Urabyumva gute urukiko ruramutse rurenganyije umuntu?
I'll have Goose fill you in on the details.
Nuko umuntu yarenganurwa nyakubaho. Niko bimera.
Thank you.
Niyo bagerageje kuba barindira umuntu icyaha gihama.
Thank you, sir.
Urakoze nyakubaho. Yaguye mu kantu. Uriya mugabo akomeje kwibanda ku rukiko na rukiko rurekura. Katurore. Katurore.
You know what? Strauss just asked me to join the tribunal.
That's about the highest honor anyone can have.
Urabizi Strauss kunambwiye ngo ngomba kwinjira muri tribunal.
Where would you like to go?
I know the perfect place.
Urifuza ko twajya henza ahantu heza. Ari kumwe na mukobwa bakorana mu kazi. Hari aho yamuzanye hakuno. Ubu nawe ari muri squad ya Strauss. Ifata imyanzuro mu gihe babishaka n'icyo naho babishakiye. Bakora n'ibyo bashaka. Katurore.
Easy being the only woman in the squad.
She asked for the best of them.
Damn right I do. But there's another me, and that's not for those guys.
Well, you don't like them too much.
In a firefight? That's who I want covering my back.
Barimo baraganira.
But that's not who I want right now.
Rimwe na rimwe umukobwa ari igihe kano ari umurindira inyuma. Ni nako bigenda. None arashaka undi wazajya bari kumwe isaha yose mu gihe bibaye ngombwa. Nta wundi. Bombi ni abasirikare. Katurore. Urabona ko abantu rwose batangira. Hey. Strauss. Na Goose. Kana.
Take care of Willits.
Bose mwamwitayeho. Mwamwitayeho. Wa musore bari bafunze. Dore umutwe. Abagabo bari hano. Goose. Na Kana Strauss. Bamwishe. Oh.
Good.
Yiza.
There are no deserters from this squad.
Yarushaga squad.
Mutineers.
Barashaka kugutwika.
Do you think the colonel would approve our fraternizing or what?
Let me tell you something about him. Before I enlisted, I really bottomed out. If I could shoot it, snort it, or smoke it, I did. Veins in my arms collapsed. The only thing I could handle in my stomach was ice cream.
Ko gatangiye kuganirira. Kano yamugiriye neza hanyuma za kumwizera mushyira no muri squad ye. Nuko ko nawe atahe muka. Nuko byagenze.
Panhandling. He didn't hit on me. He gave me a place to get clean and then he gave me a home.
Nari ku muhanda ubwo yamaye aho kwitunganyiriza nditunganya. Ambona ni muhira.
As for a roll in the hay,
kubera ko yari inshuti ya data
as it doesn't impact me in the field,
numvaga ko nanjye mu rwambariro namutererana
no problem.
numva ko nta n'ikibazo gihari hagati yanjye nawe baraganira kumva ibyo baganira byose yarashaka kumenya nta n'ibyo yitaho afite kuneka ko kujya mbere katirori yabonye hakuno ngo hari aho ibika ibyandiko bya buri musirikare ugiye gupfa bigaragaza ko kimuhama niho yaje muri bya byandiko mwibuka umunsi umwe yarabanetse bagiye kujyana wa wundi wa lieutenant bapfanye mu kabari yabanje kuja gushaka ibyandiko aho bihishe ni mu bubiko bw'intwaro hakuno niho bibitse hari aho yabonye amaraso hafi aho n'abahicira abantu se iperereza rye riracyajya mbere iperereza rye riracyajya mbere araka hey amatwi ariya n'abagabo barapfa bakabakata amatwi ibyandiko bikagira kumbe nyir'ubwite nyir'umatwi nyir'ibyandiko aragize harara kabasi mu byandiko bye kumbe hari uwabibonye Hey! Hey! Rakabas! Kano Strauss, CEO Strauss, Kano. Yabibonye byose. Harundi ngira ngo barangije ibindi byandiko nibwo byabitunje.
This is Murphy.
With Murphy.
And I'm on an unsecured line right now.
John, you should be contacting your field agent.
One of Strauss Special Missions is on tap for tomorrow. I respectfully request that you pull me out and bring in a security force to make any arrests.
Strauss hari ibindi bintu azakora ibirute nuko mwamamagara nkavayo.
Serrano showed me your physical evidence and all it proves is that there was a murder.
Garagaza ibimenyetso bigaragaza ko Strauss ari abantu yica. Ibice by'abapfu byose birahari nyakubaho. N'ibyandiko. Maze kugera kure uyu mugabo aramutse mvumbu yahita nyica.
You get me specific evidence on its members and I'll bring a tank force.
Sani ibimenyetso simusiga nanjye ndohereza ingabo ziza zihita zifata Strauss bamuvaniyo.
Me this way again.
Ndagufasha uko byashoboka kose ndi mu nzira. Hari undi muntu ngo Strauss yenda kwica. Chapirian iriteguye. Ninde wakurikira narebe?
What else we follow? Got a problem with that? Just point me at the enemy. Team at ease. This mission is a simple home invasion. Sergeant Davis, here are the coordinates.
Aya bas, ako natangira kubagaba n'umunsi none yamwishije mamaze kumwisera.
Turn here with the acquired target. About $2,400.
Masaha atari menshi cyane mu saa sita y'ijoro nibwo bagomba gufata uwo muntu. Ejo n'abakajyanwa mu rukiko rwabo muri ka gace k'ibanga.
On the right track again. The civilian world can go to hell. We can still be the best.
Nanone turacyari abambere kuko tugomba kuba twaravuye munsi y'abasivile. Tujye gufata umuswa wagambaniye igihugu. Nibo bagambanyi bambere. Nibo bagambanyi bambere. Strauss waratanga itegeko abagakora.
Be like a man with a clear conscience.
Kumbe dere wa mugabo Ramirez.
Ask me a break.
yansabaga kakaruhuko.
Target's name is Alberto Ramirez.
Umugabo yitwa Alberto Ramirez.
Nailed selling weapons.
Niwe gipimo.
I got off on a technicality.
Yacuruzaga intwaro mu banzi b'igihugu bamushize mu rukiko ruramurenganura kandi arengana. Nako ruramurenganya. Urabeshya ngo ararengana kandi koko bimuhama. Tujye kumufata. Uyu yatangiye kwibuka ari kumwe na Ramirez muri Mexico. Ramirez kuko yacuruzaga intwaro. Gusa nabwo akwiye gupfa ko ari ku rukiko rwahisemo.
There's no corroboration from eyewitnesses.
Atangira kwibuka umugabo washinjaga yivuye inyuma ngo umugabo kiramuhama.
Was lost in the fire.
Ibimenyetso byaburiye mu ntambara.
Case is blown.
Ikirago turakirukanye tunakimuvanyeho kumbe Ramirez dore ngo uyu hakona ari kumwe na se. Baraganira yamenye ko Ramirez ari we bagiye kwica. Bari kumwe.
Son of a bitch will never know what hit him.
Uyu mwanzi muswa ntabwo azigera amenya ko Ramirez arimo arashwana na se mu rugo kumbe arabashe kumutora. Alberto Ramirez. Alberto. Dala kunu gifasha se wacyo na mikino bagira na Mexico. Papa yaruhaze nuriya mwana ya rwose yaruporeje. Bafatanye mu mashati. Barabaje gufata umwana.
The army's motherfucking speed.
We ntuzongere kunyinisha ndi umusirikare. Ya basa abinje mu nzu.
What the fuck you doing here?
Murakora cyane. Ramirez
Hey, you
hasi.
can't do this to my son.
Umwana wanjye muveho. Abari bafatanye mu mashati.
You've got a point, sir.
Afite ingingo muze bamushyizemo.
What are you doing, man?
Murakora biki mufata umuswa tumujyana ya basi. Baramurashi. Niwe bagomba kumujyana. Niwe bagambanyi ba mbere. Ramirez baracakiye. Alberto Ramirez. Mu modoka. Se basize ari umupfu. Katurore. Akazina ka filime ni guilty as charged. Kiraguhama uko kigushinjwa.
Strauss, Colonel Howard.
This is an unexpected pleasure, Colonel. I'm sorry about the Willett situation.
Strauss,
Under control with a new recruit.
nshaka kujya mumenye ibijya mbere.
Doing a fine job.
Kana ibintu muri aka kanya ntago byoroshye.
Be goddamn proud, Steve.
Turi kumwe turafatana wanyu
And
manyakuba.
every wrong verdict those 4-star fat asses have handed down.
Al,
Abaswa bose basa n'abasabye ingabo tumaze kubashyira hasi.
cool things down for a while.
Ndashaka kugira ngo ibyo bintu tse n'ubigahagarika mu gihe gito.
Do that.
Kubera
My squad needs the training to stay.
tunabikora gusa abasore banjye basa n'abari mu myitozo.
For your personal convenience, Colonel.
Kandi nyumva neza.
They're missing. MI is starting to ask
They're
questions.
sharp as razors.
Bari ku iperereza ry'abasirikare bakomeje kubura buhagaritse ibyo bakorera. Urekene no kubabuza.
Directive.
Tunitegeko
No more
mwayi.
until you hear from me. Clear.
Niwongera kugira ubujyana mpaka wumvisha itegeko kuva iwanjye uranyumva.
And each other, Strauss.
Turumvikana Strauss.
Yes, we understand each other.
Yego nyako turumvikana. Uyu ni kana Strauss umamagana general ahita kupa. Kumbe dore wa mugabo ushinja mu rukiko. Ubushaka ko bakomando bose bagirirwa nabi. Ni wa Strauss itegeko bituruka hejuru. Bari bamuzanye Ramirez. Alberto Ramirez. Bamuzanye hakuno. Gira!
Soldier, on your knees!
Kumafi.
You better stay. I'll blow your head off. You hear me?
Urutano kwa ceceka cyangwa tukugire. Banyumva mu mugire.
This is a case of dereliction of duty. Involving violation of the military code of conduct.
Kubera kuwangisha amategeko y'ingabo.
Army law regarding thievery.
Kiraguhama.
The record shows that Private Alberto Ramirez did sell weapons to a military officer.
Alberto Ramirez bigaragaza ko acuruje intwaro mu banzi b'igihugu.
Due to technicality, the charges were dropped.
Cyo ni icyaha cyo kugambana. Ramirez aravuga igitambaro kimuri mu kanwa.
No idea how deeply this offends me.
Ntabwo uzi uburyo we ari bibi cyane no gushaka kumburanya.
Instead, putting his comrades and country at risk.
Ingabo zose wasaga naho zishyira mu byaha ingabo z'igihugu.
What if they're used against us?
Iyo ibyo bitwaro babikoresha bahanganye natwe.
Son of a bitch!
Wa muswa we.
I'll find you. Guilty.
Ameze ate? Kiramuhama.
Guilty, sir.
Kiramuhama nyakubahwa.
Boss?
Wowe.
Guilty as hell.
Kiramuhama ngo. Cyangwa bwakonwe. Ntabwo wumvise ibyo avuga ko urutambaro ruri mu kanwa. Ntabwo bwakonwe.
Hey, what the hell's going on here, man?
Ntabwo mwewe muzi bijya mbere ndavuga byinshi ni wamuhaye kitaza kuvuga ibindi. Kiramuhama.
Sorry I lost.
Tunagenda tumugire nyakubahwa.
Problem, Sergeant.
Nta kibazo ufite Sergeant. Undi atereka da. Cyari gitangiye kuvuga aragicicikisha.
love. Let's go.
Don't worry, I'll get you out of this. Come on, get in.
Ramirez nawe ngo kiramuhama bari bafashe umuntu uwo undi bagiye kwica umeze sawa sha yego
He's convicted in military court.
yashinjwe n'urukiko rwa gisirikare we nta rukiko tugira twebwe duhana bagira uwo ni Kazungu cya Kazungu kiri ku ruhande dore hano bamuzanye Sacred Praise hano ibanga
Get moving.
kigari gitangira
Problem, Holmes.
icyo kibazo taraka kano
Sir, if he doesn't...
aratambika my friend wajya ni Kadugara
Ramirez, I understand if you're scared.
ndabyumva ufite
I
ubwoba
understand that your only chance for survival is if you can outrun this squad.
gusa nanone amahirwe yawe ko baho nuko wacika squad
Box.
ntabwo bishoboka Ramirez Alberto
Say a word and I'll kill you right now.
Your sentence dictates that you have a 2-minute head start.
hari akantu yamuhaye amubwira ngo tangira wirukange gitutu wirukange yagiye agapapuro
County!
gira cyangwa tugire kiratangira Ramirez
Sometimes being a commander means doing something you don't want to do.
rimwe na rimwe ubaye commander ari igihe ibintu biba utakabaye bikora gusa bikangombwa kubikora
That's the goddamn job.
ni inshingano
This
zacu
hunt is going to make you into better soldiers.
uyu muhigo ugiye gutuma muba ingabo zitoroshye
Don't let anyone,
muba abasirikare bakataraboneka
not anyone, stand in the way of that.
kandi ntihagire ujya mu nzira yabyo
Yes, sir.
iyi ni imyitozo muranyumva abandi bati cyane nyakubahwa
Sir, yes, sir.
sinumvishe nyakubahwa yego nyakubahwa n'umwuka hafi kubavamo gusa abashaka kugira ngo aryumve batangira umuhigo wabo Ramirez hakuno niyo barimo guhiga katurori
Hey, Taco Boy, come out. I'll make you painless. I swear.
ndakurahira ndago niba kubabaze Kazungu bamubonye Ramirez
See you.
Yeah, 200 yards straight ahead.
urakibonye
Right.
ndakibonye kiri hakurya kirimo kwerekera aho isasu ritakigera ariko kumbe yaragira ngo gikomeze cyicumi
Pick up positions on either side of those trees.
mwibuke niwe wagiye akandiko
Go toward the east, sir, then I'll get up.
basi atangira kuvuga ahantu bagomba kwerekera
We'll rope him in.
amahirwe yo kubona uko yacika squad gusa bagabo bakamejeje nta kuntu umugabo yaza akanuye iminwa n'amazuru n'amaso byose umucike usibye ko wirukangana nawe ku giti nyumva
I don't want you to say a word, just listen. Got it?
nugira ijambo uvuga unyumve witonze wa musorera mucece Antonio Sabato Junior ahita akicaza hasi
What the fuck, Murphy? They killed my old man in front of my face.
mani bica muzaye wanjye mbere yo ku maso yanjye
If you want to get out of here alive, shut up and listen to me.
niba ushaka kuva hano uri muzima nuko wafunga umuntu ukanyumva
Because if this squad thinks you're dead,
aba bantu baragushaka uri umupfu yo kugufasha
I'm going to hide you till the morning. And as soon as the sun comes up, you're going to call military intelligence and ask for General Gray. Got it?
uje guhamagara mu ngabo mukuru w'abamaneko General Greg aragufasha gerageza uburyo wavana
I understand.
bagitutu
But you got to stay cool. If you
niko
want to get these...
gukira kwawe ugenda umusobanurira ibintu birimo kuba hano ko uvuye mu rukiko baza hano bakamwigira bakamwica niko gukira
Need
kwawe
someone to back my story with MI.
nshaka kugira ngo hagire umuntu uzajya kumfasha muri MI military intelligence
Do something to make the old man proud, right?
none urashaka kunkoresha nzajye kukuburanira niko bimeze nshaka uburyo wacu ukava hano kumbe batangiye kubumva
Give me a position. I'll meet up with you.
Hey, Murphy.
mafi
We're fucked, man.
badufashe karereba inyuma yawe
used to brag that my mom didn't raise any stupid kids.
Biratangaje ko mama ntabwo wandeze yari umuswa. Yandeze icyo gukora. Kigitangiye kuzanamo.
I'm investigating the colonel.
Ndimo naperereza kuri kano genda kubonye ku munota mbere rugikubita.
Trigger because Colonel Strauss orders us.
Twebwe dukura imbarutso ko Colonel Strauss adutegeka.
And I thought you felt the same way.
Nacyata ko nawe umeze nkatwe.
My father's head off.
Wa muswa urashaka ko badupfe uko kwatubira kumarira iki namba rero darota cyari kibavumbuye cyari kibavumbuye bas abandi baracyari mbari cyoma cyavuyeyo Rakapaz Antonio Sabato Jr. Nambara mashamba the best two the best kabiri Yuji Okumoto niwe bahangaye Yuji Okumoto asi nimwe biracyanze
Die, fucking ass.
Vamos kawe Kumba koza muri pini ya grenade yayikuyemo nimwe mu matku kijya hacu yaceretse pini bayibonye ko yakuvuyemo kijya kwicacu cyane kubita umujyari cyo hakurya ya turi tumugabyo rutunyama mu birere dore ubunyamanyama
Where the fuck was that?
cyo cyari iki urumva ari nk'iki
Come in.
mafuranye mva
Davis, double back to the east. I'll meet you.
musubira iburasirazuba ni ibintu biturikiye hasigaye ikimanyu cyo kuguru kumbe mafi
This is what I call fucking justice, man.
mano ubu nibwo butabera bwa nyabwo umva Ramirez yewe
I didn't get a dishonorable discharge. Case against me was dropped, remember?
ibuka ikirago cyanjye cyamvanywe siko cyane gende niwo uzafasha mu rukiko cyaratangiye n'imbunda yacyo uyu nawe araza gusigara abeshya ko aricyo cyishe umuntu batangira no kugitinya kirigomba kuva hano kigacika mu ishyamba turazi ndasubiramo mugenzi wacu yarashwe mugenzi wacu arishwe kumbe niwe umugizi abarangira hari baraje mu minota mike mama we Roberto Ramirez ko ari umuhatarira Roberto Ramirez
Hawks, report.
Davis must have come up on Ramirez.
Dennis agomba kuba yahanganye na Ramirez.
Ramirez must have pulled one of the pins on the Davis grenade belt.
Ramirez agomba kuba kimukuruye imbaru intuza pini yo muri grenade kamuturikiraho.
Just these dog tags, sir.
N'icyo ubushoboye kuba wabona. Dore ngibyo. Kadari ka Ramirez hafa.
Get the fuck away from him, Lee.
No way, Goose.
Jakura abandi gusura umusazi cyangwa.
He was served with this squad.
Uyu niwe musuku ugomba kuba murangije.
Stay with this prick and he's blown to shit.
Nta muntu n'umwe muri squad yacu wigeze ashobora kuba akwica n'umwe. Mbona hasi we. Wigeze umubona? Kano. Gusa ntabwo amwizera.
For the record, Sergeant Davis was killed in a routine training accident.
Bas, mu mateka bagomba kwandika ko yapfuye ngo ari mu myitozo.
Correct.
Turumvikana?
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubahwa. Yuji Okumoto nuko byamugendekeye.
Yes, sir.
Yego nyakubahwa. Kitabishaka ni cyakazungu Metis.
For burial.
Hey. Urakina?
Lee, I'm really sorry.
Mbabarire. Lee yari yakono n'icya gikobwa umbabarire.
Out of the job.
Ni byagwa n'inshingano mu kazi.
Tax.
Byabaye ntabwo ari abikoze kumbe mugenzi aravuga ibyazi.
I'm doing a committee meeting, John. Would you get these to the judge advocate's office?
Ibi ngibi wabinjanira mu biro hanyuma tukaza kureba ko bigira. Kumbe dore rwa Ramirez rwatambitse rumaze no kugera mu biro bya MI. Military Intelligence. Mu birindo bya. Mubanetse.
I have an appointment with General Gregg.
Mfite gahunda na General Gregg. Mumuhamagare mureko tutumvikana. Kumbe dore wa wundi utegeka Strauss ngo niyica abantu. Cya Ramirez cyagezeyo. Mureka agende soja. Musirikare mureke yinjire. Ajye guhura na General Gregg. Acting Director wa MI Military Intelligence uyu yagize mu bukikango niwe mu rukiko ugenda agashinja abakomando bose kandi bakagira bagacamo yara telefone yako nagomba gutelefona Strauss agize mu ikikango kuba bahigaga yageze kare mu biro hako nagiye kumurega uyu nawe ari mu biro bye Colonel Strauss.
Strauss here.
Strauss hano.
Forget that you gave me your word.
umukino mwawukinnye nabi.
Start with your claim that Sergeant Davis's death was handled.
bavugaga ko
Private Alberto Ramirez.
Private Alberto Ramirez ari umupfu, none namwiboneye hakuno aje kuturega.
His office to report that your men murdered his father.
kandi nanone mukuza kurega ko yavuze ko ngo mujye kumufata mwafashe mwishe nasi imbere
He's wrong about the whole goddamn incident.
ibintu byose byabaye. uyu amaze kwiheba nawe abirimo, niwe utanga itegeko aho bakurira Strauss n'uyu yaragenderamo. Yesu Kristo generali.
Just hope they hang us from separate trees.
Now hang on a second here, Steve.
narakubwiye ngo mwe mwihanganye gufata undi muntu nimwanyumva. bakiramo isasu wowe yumvaga ko nakundi. yari yahuye. basi uyu niwe ukurikira mu rukiko, byanze bikunze baraza guhamagara. uyu nawe ari uwamubeshye ngo Ramirez abonye umudari, ngo Ramirez ashobora kuba nawe yapfuye cyangwa se acitse. yatangiye kumukeka ko ari ugambana. barakwereka hakuno aho bambarira, barimo kwambara cyangwa ntabwo cyizera habe na gato. uyu musore ntabwo kimwizera habe na gato.
What the hell is an old woman gonna do with a pair of nunchucks?
wowe uragenda nazamucaka. ibi byose nibyo gukoresha icyo afite umujinya kubera uyu Antonio Sabato Jr. bari kumwe, ntabwo mwizera.
You got about 5 seconds to tell us what the fuck this is.
ufite amasegonda atanu kutubwira n'iki kijya mbere hano. bavumbuye ko yagiye batega utuntu tw'amajwi.
According to... God damn it, we trusted you.
twarakwizeye. nambarira rota baramwizeye, baramuvumbuye. bamuvumbuye nawe nicyo gihe cyo kwirwanaho. sinzi bavumbuye utwa amajwi yabateze. Usi yachochwe. Piga yeye.
Let him up, mister! Let him up, Sergeant Hawks!
Subiri nyuma, Oxy, subiri nyuma, Oxy, Sergeant, subiri nyuma. That's Colonel Strauss. Goose.
Yes, sir. Prepare to take this man into custody.
mwitegure kujyana mu bubiko baramukubitisha iminyururu.
How the fuck could you betray your squad like this?
kuki wagambane squad muri ubu buryo?
I was following direct orders.
nakurikizaga amategeko.
Now you would understand that.
What makes here?
ndumva we ndumva gute agire agire kuko yaragize.
Sergeant Williams' body was found near here. Because his skin was under his nails.
bavumbuye umwe wa mbere mwishe.
Find out what happened.
nyuma bamwira ibyabaye barananyohereza.
Man was nothing. A thief selling drugs from the infirmary.
uwo yari umuswa yacuruzaga urumogi kandi ari umwe mu ngabo. yari n'umuswa. niko bimeze niyo mpamvu twamwishe. wumvise
All this for that piece of shit.
nta mpamvu zo kugira ngo tube twashinjwa abaswa nk'abo.
The charge against you, Lieutenant John Murphy.
cyaje ibyo ushinjwa Lieutenant John Murphy.
How do you find?
bigiye kugwama urarwana ute? ndumva kiramwama guilty kiramwama guilty as charged.
Have a bitch down in stone till sunrise.
wa muswa we nawe reka tugushyire hasi.
I have my job to do and I do it.
mfite inshingano zo gukora kandi ndazikora.
MI's got all the evidence that's ever going to
MI military intelligence ubunetsi bwa gisirikare bufite ibimenyetso byose baranga. aramuha. Hey.
Don't expect your little fuck toy to help you now.
yakoze amakosa yakinnye n'abantu badakina. uyu munsi bavuze ko kimuhama.
All you have to look forward to is a world of pain.
ubu icyo ugiye guturamo ni isi y'akababaro.
I found him guilty as hell.
And you know what to do.
nasanze kimuhama.
Do your very best to aid in the punishment.
Strauss, we can't let Colonel Howard's suicide interfere with our tribunal's future missions.
Yes, sir.
bamuzanye hakuno buro jyama aho bamujyana hano yifatiyemo hey bahinduye imyambarire
Come on.
ngwino sha
Nothing stinks like a traitor.
ntakinuka nk'umugambanyi. Nothing stinks like a traitor. Mugambanyi ntakinuka nk'umugambanyi.
An expert fighter. You only need a 1-minute head start.
tumunota umwe kugira ngo utangire.
That was my job. Sergeant Lee decided she wanted a personal shot at you. So she rigged up a few...
Sergeant Lee arashaka kugira ngo abe yakwirasira.
Bullshit at Claymore, Murphy.
nuko bimeze mafi.
5 seconds, boy.
Amasegonda 5 kutangiye. Saa irimo irabara. Numva ko wiruka kiratangira. Yabonye abandi. Mumashamba hahantu y'ibanga niwe wamure kuriye.
Shame that bastard isn't on the right side.
Mufate wa muswa mbere yuko izuba rirasa bikwiye. Bamuzanye mu rukerera.
Take the outside perimeter and keep them circled in. Lee, Goose, you know the routine.
Lee na Goose muzi icyo gukora. Tano, Strauss, Murphy, hakuno. Lieutenant Murphy. ugira ngo umugabo ntabwo agira umuntu wese iteka umugabo ukurikira umugabo mugenzi we asigamo ingufu zimusubiza inyuma uwo birukangana mwebwe twe twamubonye ibyo akora turabizi. Antonio Sabato Jr. yakukina operation wa Flying muri Australia agukina ka factor gutangira muri Vietnam paka subira muri Amerika arongera gukina agafilime kitwa High Voltage. Hagati y'abashinwa n'abanyamerika ibyaro by'ibishinwa n'ibinyamerika yagarutse muri iyi hari uwaguye mu cyobo ni ubwe cyamufashe mu kuguru cyantibanye amazu abari wakijyamo mama we mu bisongo bindi byari biri uruhande rwe wato wa kabiri nabo aramuha abo ni babiri bas hasigaye batatu Lee, Goose ndetse na Kano Strauss Katroli. Aba ni babiri bari bakodeshejwe mercenaries. Cuban mercenaries bari baguze ba mercenary kuva muri Cuba mindani. Lieutenant Lee bararebanye Lee aratangira
Everything was golden before you showed up, Murphy!
ibintu byose byazambye kutarasemere mafi.
We were running out of opportunities to get you out of your life!
Igihe kirimo kirakurangira nawe kugira ngo ubone uri muzima reka mwudangize wo kubona uri muzima. Mbunda hasi.
Go ahead and shoot me.
Komeza ndasi.
It's what I'd be doing.
I don't believe you.
Koranya nibyo nakukorera sinkwizera.
Stay off the north side. Get solid booby traps.
Ujye kure y'amajyaruguru niwo uzi imitego. Gikobwa kiramurangira. Ngwino tujyane.
Get out of here.
Vanu gende.
Get the fuck out of here!
Ndavuze vanu gende. Vanu gende niba ushaka kubaho. Baratandukanye. Kumbe uriya nawe yabaye nka mwana yinshi. Ni ikirimi cya gisirikare. ari umukomandokazi.
He got away, sir.
Aracitse nyakubahwa.
He got away because you let him walk away.
Waragiye kuko wamuretse
Is
aragenda.
that how you deal with a traitor, Lee?
Nuko ukora neza abagambanyi umukobwa.
For giving you a fucking life?
Yeah?
I'd like it'll never happen again, sir.
No, bizongera kuba
Then right, it
nyakubahwa.
won't.
Niko bimeze. Ndamwihereye.
What the fuck was that?
Iki cyari iki?
Goose,
Gusa.
report your location. Sir, I'm
Ngira uri.
east of you. I'll meet you at the Tiger Trap.
Hari imiteguro mu majyaruguru. Ndaje.
Damn it! God damn it!
Skye.
Goose,
Gusa.
we're the only ones left. You are the one man in this squad that I can depend upon.
Nitwe twanyine dusigaye niwe mugabo wenyine muri squad nizera.
I know the direction he took.
Ndaho kigiye.
I want you to find that son of a bitch.
Shaka kubona
I want
umuswa.
you to gut him.
Shaka umubona.
Cut his fucking heart out and bring it to me.
Umukate umutwe wunzanire.
Back to the fort until that son of a bitch is dead.
Nituruka mpaka umuswa apfuye. Yego nyakubahwa. Uwo ni Kazungu. Narira kabasi. Nakuruka mpaka umuswa apfuye. No. Nakubwiye wirukanga umugabo mugenzi wawe nuko usiga ameze gusubiza inyuma kuko atangiye kubagarukana. Guilty as charged. Kiramuhama. No.
You were gonna try to get this shit on us? Look at you! Flat on your back.
Iraba amuswa we. Reba uko kimeze.
Come on, Goose.
Napata munigo. Munigo.
I'm gonna take to your grave that we're the best.
Wicokoreraga igituro. Ugiye kukijyamo. Agatwe. Mama, baramavi. Ku giti. Ku giti. Uwo ni Gusa. Kazungu. Kazungu. Barashize hasigaye Kano Strauss wenyine. Yagiye mu modoka yabazanye nanone. Aragomba kwerekera. Kumbe Kano nukora amakosa yaragiye guhisha ibimenyetso simusiga. Evidence to confirm.
My entire squad. Killed the men and women I trained, Murphy.
Kipe yanjye wayishe yose urayimara naritoje mafi.
She enjoyed it.
Twemeze.
I was just following orders.
Nakurikizaga amabwiriza amategeko.
I've had to send people into the meat grinder before.
Keep your hands up.
Maboko hejuru.
Now!
Whatever
Na.
you say, Lieutenant.
Komisa kibati. Bas, bitangiraho. Mama we. Kugamba.
It's gonna take the best
Drop it! Drop your weapon! Put your hands up now! You don't know what's going on here. Quiet! You all right, sir? Yes. Arrest this man. I'll give you a full report later.
Bas. MP, military police.
Let's match one of these.
Ibi ni ibimenyetso bigaragaza uyu mugabo ko ari umwicanyi. Aba bose nabo yishe.
Keep your hands where I can see him. Come on. Move it.
Uko bimeze? Kiramo amakumbu yafashe imbunda. Yashizemo. Imbunda yamaze. Aramwohereza mbere y'ukamuha. Mbere y'ukamuha.
It's gonna take a best to beat me, Lieutenant. And that ain't you.
Oh.
Drop it! Drop your weapon! Put your hands up now! You don't know what's going on here. Quiet! You all right, sir?
Yes. Arrest this man. I'll give you a full report later.
Bas. MP, military police.
Let's match one of these.
Ibi ni ibimenyetso bigaragaza uyu mugabo ko ari umwicanyi. Aba bose nabo yishe.
Keep your hands where I can see him. Come on. Move it.
Uko bimeze? Kiramo amakumbu yafashe imbunda. Yashizemo. Imbunda yamaze. Aramwohereza mbere y'ukamuha. Mbere y'ukamuha. Colonel Strauss. Ubukobwa wabo muhaye bashaka kugira ngo bayobore neza.
Armed forces.
Yayoboye nabi.
Howard and Colonel Strauss were irreplaceable leaders.
Colonel Strauss yari umugizi wa nabi. Kuko yagambaniraga igihugu.
That we will feel for some time to come.
Rimwe na rimwe tuzajya dukurikirana boro boro tumenye ni bande bakora ibintu bibi mu gihe kibi. Mu gihe kitari cyiza.
Next week, nobody will...
Kabone nubwo kihe cyaba ari cyiza barashaka abanyabyaha kugira ngo bavanemo.
We're military intelligence, John.
Nuko bimeze.
Don't count.
Zari n'inshingano zawe wagiye gukora akazi katoroshye.
Take orders and do the job.
Wakoze akazi kubera ko wakurikizaga amabwiriza.
It doesn't seem to be enough this time. Well, maybe you can make up for that in the next assignment. Maybe give me this case file. Whoa, what about the check?
Musore nuko yafashe inzira mugenzi aragenda. Yaramaze kurangiza intambara ye. Yararangiza inshingano ze. Yakoraga akazi ke. Bari baramutumye. Ibindi byose bazabibona. Abarenganye nabo yatanze imidari yabo. Niba bazi uburyo baziyeranjamo bajya kumenyesha ababyeyi n'abababyaye. Nuko agafilme karangiye. Gusa barakwerekana none mu nzira.